Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by gathering essentials: your 17-digit consumer number, LPG ID, Aadhaar or valid ID, and the new mobile phone for OTPs. Once done, open the HP Gas app or portal or call your registered distributor to initiate the change. Make sure you use the primary account holder's credentials, otherwise the system will block edits. You should choose app or web for faster processing, while distributor requests may require in-person verification, so pick the quickest path you can complete immediately. You now log in using your current account or request an OTP on the registered mobile to authenticate. Next, locate Update Mobile under Profile, input the new number, and upload required ID or Aadhaar as instructed. Once you submit, the system will send an OTP to the new phone. Enter it to confirm the change. Make sure to copy the reference ID shown after submission. This number lets you track progress with the distributor or on the portal if verification is pending. You finish by monitoring the portal or your new mobile for confirmation. Verification typically completes within 24 to 72 hours. Once confirmed, test by logging in or making a new cylinder booking to ensure messages and OTPs go to your new number. If the update stalls, contact the distributor with your reference ID and recheck uploaded ID clarity. Make sure Aadhaar eKYC succeeded. If problems persist, reinitiate the change through the app or visit the distributor in person to complete biometric or physical verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.